Miss Noor Akila, Miss Siti, Miss Evan, Mr. Muhammad, Mr. Alex. Having any doubt or clarification, let me know. Okay, thank you so much. No question, madam. Okay, fine, great. Okay, so the looping concept will be teach you for tomorrow. Coming back to half an hour is there, no? Let me teach you basic cleaning operation for your data. Okay, so data preparation using pandas. Okay, before you do for analysis, your data should be properly formatted, properly clean. So if you go for clean the data properly means you must clean your data, because you cannot always trust your data is cleaned data, no duplications, no missing value, no formatted and that. So better before you do for a do the analysis, pre-processing is a must needed. So the pre-processing, the name is called it for clean your data. So in this cleaning your data, there is a one library we use, that is a pandas library. Okay, your data, you can read the data in the form of maybe a comma separated value file, Excel file, or any other files. So you can go for a load the data to Python. After loading, you can go for clean. After clean, final is a, you can go with the using some of the function to clean your data. Okay, we'll discuss one by one. Coming to one small example. Okay, so if you want to know about your pandas version means you can go for run this program. So this is a version, this is a method which is used for know about your pandas library version. Lot of version is there. The versions which like we, like us, the programmer, they develop that class and then they can upload it to Python for freely to load and then use to others, other people. So in my Colab, the pandas version is 2.2.2. Okay, let me go for creating one small data structure. So if we go for using library from pandas means you must import the library. This is a first step. Importing the respected library before do the analysis. Second step is getting the data, transform the data to data frame. So run the program, getting the data, transform the data to data frame. Once data frame is transform ready, go for check with if any missing information, any relevant information is there means you can go with remove that one. This is a way. Suppose this is a way we can create our own data in the form of data dictionary. Suppose if our data is in the form of a comma separated value, otherwise Excel file means what we are going to do. So we are going to do with the read CSV method. If it is a comma separated value file, I am going to reading means under the pandas library, that is a function is available. So you must have that. If you go for using this file in Colab means this file should be in the Colab window. Okay, we'll see. We'll discuss this topic. Okay, sales Excel. If you go for Excel file means read Excel file. Okay, data inspection, tail, first row, last row, sales data. Okay, multiple values, duplicate data, transformations. Okay, let go for loading the sales data. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so the CSV file I already shared in that drive. Okay, that file I am going to load here. Click the file menu. Once you click the file menu and then right click on the files tab, click upload. Once you click upload button, Once you click upload button, you can upload the CSV file to Colab window. Okay, let it open. Okay, where is the file? The files which is available in my folder. Okay, 1 minute, let me check. It's not available here. Okay, where is that drive? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, let me check. Downloads, Malaysian sales. ChatGPT. Okay, 1 minute, let me check the sales data. Wait, let me check whether I'm having that file or not. Okay, not having Malaysian retail sales under sales dashboards full. Okay, let me go for this data. Open. I will share this file in the sales data is available. Okay, let me check. Okay, click here. I will send the sample data to you. Okay, so you can download this sample data for your side and then we'll go for further. Malaysian retail sales under records. Open. Okay. Okay, these are the two sample data set which I shared in the chat. Please download. One is a Excel file, another one is a CSV file. Okay, right click. Okay, once you downloaded, click the folder icon and then empty space, right click on your mouse, click upload. Once you click upload button, you can the browser window will be open. You can search the file and then upload. Which is available in the desktop. Open. See, data is loaded ready. If you want to see this Excel file, double click on the Excel file. It will be open as a okay. Now, just to see, let me open the CSV file. You can able to see the data which is available. Just open the sales data, sales informations which is available in that particular file. So if I want to open the file here means via the Colab, this is a CSV file, that is a Excel file. So go down. So here you are going to change to sales data. Let me go for changing the file name here. Sales. Okay, sorry. One minute. It's okay. It's still loading. Wait, let it load. Just you can change the name to sales data dot xlsv lsx file and then run the program. You can able to see the data will be transferred to pandas, and then further you can try to uh, have a run this particular bins. You can able to see. For example, it's still loading in my side. That's why I couldn't able to. Okay. Couldn't able to type. This and all head method which is used to get the data in the columns manner. So tail method, if I want to last rows means you can go for using a tail method. If I want to fetch the first 5 row of information means head method. You can use. These are the method we can go for shapes. I want to know about shapes. That is a number of rows, number of columns. Means you can able to see here and all. Okay. It's still loading. One minute. Let me try once again. Hit the enter button and then let me open the original file. If comma separated value files means it will be easy for me. Okay, 1 minute. Let me check. Even you can store the sales data to comma separated value files as well. 1 minute. Let it load. Okay, sure. I will show to you. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Let me open first. Still loading. Still loading. Okay, just click the folder icon, Miss Isa. If you click the folder icon in that left panel, it will be open the files tab. Just empty place, right click on your mouse, click upload. Once you click upload, you can able to see the open dialogs box. In the dialogs box, you can choose the file location. It automatically uploaded to Colab Notebook. For example, let me go for download and then start searching for a .csv file. These are the comma separated value files. Okay, please wait, let it load. Search. These are the comma separated value file. Okay, so let me go for open this file. This is a CSV file, sales data.
நல்லாக்கும் நல்லாக்கும் எட்டு தின்னு புரியுமா சாப்பிட்டு போயிட்டேன்
Okay, where is the sales data? Students performance. Let me share little more files as well. Sales data, employee data, product sales, Malaysian retail sales. Okay. Please download all the CSV file which I shared in the chat. There are 6 more files which I shared in the chat. Okay, please download all. Okay, this is a sales data.csv file. Let me try to open the sales data here. Sales underscore. Okay, there is issues here. That's why I couldn't able to type. Okay. I copy this coding, paste it down. Okay, sales underscore data. Just I tried to open the CSV files which I shared recently. Okay, run the program. See, the file reads successfully. If you want to see the what are the content which is available in the sales data, means double click on the file, you can able to see the data over there. See the right hand side. So this sales data, give 1 minute, let me share. See, there are four sales information which is available, monthly sales informations in the sales data.csv file. Okay, if I want to, this is a way we can go for reading the CSV file. Once you read the CSV file, if I want to display the information on the screen means just go for using the pandas. Okay, so here I go for storing a DF. Once read the data, go for display the information down means you can go for just a DF. Print DF, otherwise DF is enough. Once you type DF, you can able to see what are the data which is available in the CSV file. Okay, similar, there is a further process for another data which is available in the CSV file. Okay. Suppose your data, if you want to go for creating the CSV file and then open means this is a trick. Okay, run the program, make a CSV file and then display the information on the screen. Okay, so if you want to read the Excel file, similar. Okay, let me go for read the sales data Excel file. But method C, read Excel method. Here, sales. Okay, let me come back, copy, and then go for create one more code window, and then paste over there. Here I changed to sales underscore not data dot XLS files. Click open. You can able to read. After read, if you want to display what are the items which is available, go for TF to display. You can able to see these are the information which is available on the sales data Excel file. So read CSV file which is used to read the comma value separated value file. That means the data which is have in the separated comma separated. Suppose your data which is available in the form of Excel means you can go for open the Excel file. Just read the Excel file and then go for further processing. Now my data is there. Go for see the inspection of data. For example, if I want to know about let's go for a first 5 records. Okay, let me go for a cart. This will view run. You can able to see the first 5 row of informations using head method. Similar, you can go for a adding tail method which is used to display bottom 5 row of information. So in this record, there are 11 record is available. So I can use head method to see top 5 row. I use a tail method to see bottom 5 rows. If you scroll down, you can able to see describe all. So describe all, we can able to see the total number of rows. Count is 12. Unique, none means not defined values. So top frequency, min, median, 20% of that particular one, everything which is available. Max, standard deviations. This is a descriptions about the particular data frame. Okay, so if you go for a further inspection, you can able to see columns, shapes, info, everything. If you go for to display the columns, to-do list, what are the column titles which is available, you can able to see. You can able to see the shapes, that is a 12 rows, 10 columns. So these are the further activities. You can try these activities using AI tools as well. Okay, so this topic, especially how we are going to handling the missing informations and that. Suppose we cannot always perfect our data is in a proper format. Okay, let me go for a see here. If suppose missing value duplicates values means how to transform the data in the business scenarios. Okay, this is one small example. So in this example, perfect data, see np.na, that is a missing information is there. Okay, so here none two missing information is available. How we are going to handling for the missing informations and that. Okay, so this is a one small example. If you run the program, see na none value nan message, maybe this is a representation for a missing info. So how we are going to detecting the missing info? So for example, if it is any null value is available means the system will be detect with using is null. So you can count total number of null value. So here customers 2, sales 1 null value is available. So once you finding the null value, just go for do the filtering, sorting, grouping with the pandas, everything. Take the steps to do following. Even you can go for do the filterings. Missing data's handling is a different one. One is either you can remove the missing data columns. Otherwise, you can replace the value. Otherwise, you can find the mean value and then replace the mean value over there. There is a different variety of technique is available. We'll discuss a little bit later tomorrow. Just to have a small example for filtering, sorting, groupings with the pandas and so how to filtering, grouping panda, that is data and all we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. So these are the topic for today's. So today we discuss about a little bit more about a basic structure and then little bit understanding for a control structure, little bit understanding about the that is reading the data from various files, especially CSV file, Excel file, and then do the operations and all we discussed so far. And then from the data, how we are going to describe everything we discussed today. Okay, so mostly this is like an intermediate level. So tomorrow, okay, first step is how the action which is taken for the missing data, and then have some that is especially for a regression techniques, that is a regressions algorithms, classification algorithms, and then some of the matplot libraries, and then pandas libraries and all especially used to convert your data to visualizations. And then we do some algorithms for predict the future informations and all we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, so if you see the that is especially drive means, okay, so let me go for a open the drive. Okay, so here, where is the drive? Close. It's my drive. Okay, if you see the material which is available for a Python for visualizations as well, go and see the materials. Okay, let me check. Demo Python for visualization, Python data activities Colab also, which I already uploaded in the drive. You can go and see how we are going to converting your data to pictures and all. This example which is demonstrate you. Okay. Okay, let it load first. Line chart demo, and then a bar chart, bar chart. So Matplot, which support for mostly basic chart. If you go for a 3-dimensional chart, advanced level chart, more attractive chart, interactive charts means go with the Seaborn libraries. So this one, okay, let me share. Cannot, okay, needed to display it. Okay, let me share this as well. Before coming to the class tomorrow, just go through this one. Okay. Okay, viewer, copy this link. Okay, chat. Paste it in the chat. Okay. Okay, just to go click the link, you can able to see this Colab notebook file to you. This example especially, see, this is a Excel that is a list controls, converting this information to line graph using a plot method with adding the titles, X label, Y labels and that. And then show method, it will be shows the informations to you. Bar chart, same data, bar chart, pie chart, and then here scattered chart, and then these are the examples which is available. Even little more exercise also which is available in the drives which I already shared to you. Okay, have a go through for this example. Even Python for everyone Colab notebook also available. Basic structure you can able to see. If loop, how to use, what is the advantage, where to use, everything which is available. Just before coming to tomorrow class, just to go through this one. And then one more thing, tomorrow morning I'm having another meeting. So